If you want to eat healthy on a low budget, you can check out this recipe. This is charcoal toast bread filled with tomatoes, egg, and chicken. So I made this using only 500 naira. You can imagine, you cannot beat how this thing came out. It came out so nice. It taste was wonderful, and it was filling. So this is actually a low budget food. You can serve for breakfast, also a light dinner if you want. So if you want a low budget food, you can check this out. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are very welcome. On this channel, I share simple Nigerian meals you can make on a budget using what you already have at home. Today, I'm making charcoal toast bread filled with egg, tomatoes, and chicken. So I already show you my ingredients that I use. If you don't have gas or just want to cook something quick and simple, you can actually try this. So here I also use a little bit of the chicken breast. Okay, chicken from my New Year chicken. So I have to take a little bit part for it to make this toast bread. So I already cut my my ingredient, the tomatoes. I use a big bowl of tomatoes, a small bowl of onion. I use two bonnet pepper and seasoning. So also curry masala to season to spice up the chicken. So here I'm cutting the bread into pieces. After cutting it, I have to remove the inside part of it. So can you see me now taking it out? So I'm going to leave it like this open to all of them. So this is how I've already finished cutting it. The next thing now is I cut the chicken. So this is the only chicken I use because it's only few pieces of bread that I use for this meal. So I cut that, I deboned it, and I cut into smaller pieces. So this is how it came out. Now my egg is ready. Okay, here is chicken pieces, and my eggs. Okay, I broke into the cup and the whiskey, set it aside. So now I'm heating my pan on the coal pot, and you only need little oil for this. You don't need too much oil because you don't want the bread to be to be sticky. So I fried the chicken a little bit to turn golden brown. So here now I'm also toasting the bread. So I use a little oil to toast this bread. I don't want to use the grill for the toasting. So I've ordered my chicken to the egg mixer. I mix it together. So here now I'm set to start toasting the egg mix, chicken, tomatoes, onion, and what have you. So please watch this video to the end to see how this video comes. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please can you subscribe to this channel, like and leave a comment, please. Thank you, and enjoy this community to grow. So here's my toast bread, very golden, tasty, filling. A simple dinner because I actually wanted to eat a little simple dinner, preparing for New Year celebration, because there will be plenty of rice to eat tomorrow, plenty of things to do. Food will just be going left and right. Plenty of rice will just come up tomorrow. So this is my simple dinner. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly give it